Shoutout.tech/sky.text. I have exciting news to tell you. You are going to Hurricane Harbor Six Flags Magic Mountain with Orin and his friends.
Wow. Yay, 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 yay. I can't wait to go to the Hurricane Harbor Six Flags Magic Mountain. Why?
Plus, there's more. If you behave at Hurricane Harbor Six Flags Mountains with Orin and his friends, you will be ungrounded. Oh, that must be Orin. Come in.
Hello there, Durple.exe and Sky.exe. I'm here to take you to Hurricane Harbor Six Flags Magic Mountain. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. We just changed into our swimmers if you're ready.
Okay, just give me some time. How do I look?
Oh. Oh my gosh, you look cute in that swimsuit.
Hee hee. Thanks.
I just changed, and Wenda, are you done?
I will be done, Gray. Okay, Gray, I'm ready.
Wenda. What about Durple.exe and Sky.exe's mischief?
Do you hear that Durple.exe and Sky.exe is going to behave?
I'm afraid not, but go swimming now. Okay, Durple.exe and Sky.exe. Just wait for Gray, Wenda, Veneria, OXEX, and Aqua. And then we will go to the slide.
What the heck? Why is the line so long? I will cut in line. Yes, I made it. Hey, Quandale Dingle, why do you look so mad?
I am mad because you cut in line. Why would you do that?
Because the line was long and I wanted to go on the tube. Now let me on.
No. You may not get on. How dare you cut in line? Go back in front of the line.
Fine, fine.
One super angry life later.
Oh my gosh, tubing is so much fun. Hold on. What are you doing, Terrence?
1 second later.
We are stuck.
That is it. I will push him off.
Durple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes, we cannot believe you pushed Terrence off the slide. Do you realize you are getting him to the hospital?
That's it. Strike one. 6 more than you're in trouble. Okay, everyone. Today, we're going to watch a movie called The SpongeBob Movie, Search for SquarePants.
What? No. I hate the SpongeBob Movie, Search for SquarePants. But I want Gray and Pinky Gets Grounded the movie. Not this stupid movie. I must stop it. But how? I know. Everyone, there is a shark in the pool.
Oh, my goodness. There is a shark in the pool. Let's get out.
Ha 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 ha. That is so funny.
Durple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes, Wenda and Pinky, no. How dare you prank everyone knowing there is a shark in the pool? And Durple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes, Wenda and Pinky, no. There's a strict policy about pranking everyone. That is it. You have just received your second strike. 5 more and you are grounded.
so mad that I got my second strike. Man, it feels so good outside today. Let's go to the slides. Wait. This is so much fun. Ya 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 ya. I know. I will get out off my tube. Man, that is so fun.
Derple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes. Did you get out of your tube?
Yes, I did because it was way more fun.
Derple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes. How dare you get out of your tube? You know that is against the rules. That's it. You have just received your third strike. Only 4 more and you are grounded.
2 minutes later.
Alright Sky, it's bedtime.
Okay, Oren.
Into bed. Okay. I would like a hamburger.
And I would like a poo-poo sandwich.
Ahoy 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 ahoy. P L L L L L L L L L L E. C. Batten. Kai wee wee I E. C. Yes. This is the 10th time you ordered that poo-poo sandwich order. You got to stop doing it. You have just received your 4th strike. Only 3 more and you are grounded. Derple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes will.
That's it. I will destroy Coca-Cola with a goo bomb in 3, 2, 1.
Derple.exe and Sky.exe. Yes. How dare you throw a goo bomb in Coca-Cola? That is so does totally freaking it. You have just received your 5th strike. Only 2 more and you are grounded.
Shut up, you ass fuck.
Did you just call me a bad word? That does it. You have just received your 6th strike. Only 1 more and you are grounded. This is your last chance to behave. If you don't, there will be woo-uggy consequences.
Shut the hell up and leave me alone right now.
Oh 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 H H H H H H H H H H H H H H Derple.exe and Sky.exe. How freaking dare you force me to shut up? That is so freaking it. This is your 7th strike. Now I am calling 9 Michael 99.
A wah 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 wah. Don't call 9 Michael 99, don't call 9 Michael 99, don't call 9 Michael 99, don't call 9 Michael 99. Mackie Mackie Moo Moo Backy Backy Boo Boo Ba well.
Hello, this is Bailey. Derple.exe and Sky.exe has really been bugging me. And he forced me to shut up.
Really? He is so gonna be so busted. I'm coming here right now.
Thanks. Bye.
How freaking dare you call 9 Michael 99? That freaking does it. Get out of here, while I throw a goo bomb in Hurricane Harbor 6 Flags Magic Mountain.
Not again.
Now to explode the whole Hurricane Harbor 6 Flags Magic Mountain with 5 and 6 goo bombs. I am 3, 2, 1. This is the beast prank I've ever done. And what are they gonna do about it? Ab, Sal, Ute, Lee, not, thing.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Derple.txt and Sky.txt, yes. That's Wenda and Pinky know. How dare you fruit goo bombs and Hurricane in Harbor 6 Flags Magic Mountain. That's it. You are grounded. Plus, Microsoft Logic activate. Send Derple.txt and Sky.txt, yes, to the banished world. Here's the story. Don't screw with 9 Michael 99. I will repair Hurricane 6 Flags Magic Mountain since he destroyed it.
Wow, the water is warm. Wow, the water's so warm to me.
Me too. So that's how the story ends. I fought Derple.exe and Sky.exe. Rebuild the resort. I have fun time with my friends. Splashing and swimming. Anyways, he's in the banished world.
Man, I cannot believe I got sent to the banished world. Can my life get worse? I hate you.
over?